If your scalp looks like it's snowing in the middle of summer, don't ignore it. This could be more than just dry skin. Before we dive deeper, like and subscribe for more skin and hair care tips. Severe dandruff, or seborrheic dermatitis, happens when yeast overgrows on your scalp. This leads to itching, redness, and embarrassing flakes. If left untreated, it can cause hair thinning and even infections. Triggers include stress, weather changes, and harsh products. The good news, medicated shampoos with ketoconazole or selenium sulfide can help manage it. Don't wait for it to get worse. Take action now. Stay aware and stay safe.